So here's how to set shipping rates on Shopify Dropshipping. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are there, now here you have to simply click on the settings option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From the left menu, here you have to click on the shipping and delivery option. After that, here at this page, you have to simply go to the general shipping rate option. Now to set the shipping rates, you have to simply click on it. Once you click on it, now this page will appear. Here you can easily set your shipping rates for international and local shipments. To set your shipping rates within your country, you have to simply click on these three dots next to your country name. After that, here you have to add the amount that you want to add. Then in the international section, you have to simply click on these three dots next to this. Now you have to repeat the same process here. After adding your shipping price, you have to simply click on the save option. Now you have successfully set your shipment rates for international and local deliveries. So that's how to set shipping rates on Shopify.